Hi friends, welcome to my channel SCS VAJRA Tutorials. Myself Swati. I am here to share a useful content for those who are preparing seriously competitive exams. In part of that, I will explain multiplication tricks on numbers which are closer to 100. So, multiplication digits 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 and 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. Okay. Let we see multiplication tricks. Take example as 96 by 98. Okay. These two numbers are closer to 100. 96 is how much less than 100? 4. And 98? 2. Okay. This is step 1. And step 2, cross subtraction. Okay. 96 minus 2, 94 and 98 minus 4, 94. Take single number. Okay. Then multiply these two numbers. That is third step. 4 2s are 8. 9 4 0 8. Okay. This is the simple trick to multiply numbers which are closer to 100. Let me take another example. Next number 94 by 97. Okay. 94 is how much less than 100? 6. And 97? 3. Okay. This is step 1. And step 2, cross subtraction. 94 minus 3, 91. 97 minus 6, 91. And third step, cross multiply. Minus into minus plus 6 3s are 18. 91, 18 is the production value of 94 and 97. Okay. Next example 89 by 90. Okay. First step, difference. How much less than 100? 11 and 10. Okay. 89 minus 10, 79. Second step, difference. And third step, multiply these two values. 11 into 10, 110. Okay. Here we found the value as 110 by multiplying 11 into 10. So, take the carry forward. Okay. Then 0, 1, 79 plus 1, 80. 8010 is the value of 89 by 90. Okay. Let we see numbers which are greater than 100. Okay. Multiplication of numbers which are greater than 100. Example 102 into 103. Okay. Here 2 is greater than 100. So plus 2. And here plus 3. This is first step. In second step, cross addition. In previous, cross subtraction, because numbers which are lesser than 100. Here greater than 100. So we need to add numbers. Cross addition. 102 plus 3, 105 and 103 plus 2, 105. And product of these two numbers. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. So 0, 6. In third step we should do 105, 06. 10,506 is the production value of 102 and 103. Next example 105 into 107. Okay. First step, 5 is greater than 100 and 7 is greater than 100. So cross addition. 105 plus 7, 112. And multiplication of these two numbers. 7 5s are 35. Okay. Within 5 seconds we can answer multiplication question in exam. Next, third type of multiplication trick, that is the number which are less than 100 and the number which are greater than 100. So 97 into 103. This is third type of multiplication trick. 97 is 3 less than the 100 and 103 plus 3 greater than 100. So then cross addition, which are plus symbol, and here cross subtraction, which is minus symbol. 97 plus 300, 103 minus 300. Then here plus 3 minus 3. Here minus 3 plus 3. Then multiplication will be minus 9. 3 3s are 9. Okay. In third step, place 2 zeros here and subtract minus 9 from this. Okay. Then answer is 9991. Okay. Let me see next example. 101 into 92. Okay. Here plus 1 is greater than 100 and minus 8 is less than 100. Then cross subtraction and addition. 92 plus 1 93 and 101 minus 8 93. In third step we should place 2 zeros here and product of this plus 1 into minus 8. Minus 8. Subtract minus 8 from 93, 100. Then 9292. Okay. Let me see another example. 105 into 93. Okay. This is plus 5 greater than 100 and minus 7 less than 100. So, next cross subtraction and addition. 93 plus 5, 98 and 105 minus 7, 98. Then place 2 zeros, plus 5 and minus 7, minus 35. Okay. Then 9765. Okay. This is the production value of 105 and 93. Okay friends, this is our today's session, multiplication tricks. This is a part of speed maths. For any competitive exam, we need to perfect it firstly speed maths. By that we can answer any type of questions from any topic, we can answer within the time. Okay, speed maths is most important for competitors. From today onwards in our channel, speed maths topic also covered day by day. So stay tuned. SCS VAJRA Tutorials. Thank you for watching. Please like if you like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.